Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable showing content from phone app in the Siri Search, so right here on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, swipe down, tap on phone, tap on Siri and search, and here you can enable or disable showing content in Siri Search from your phone app. And if you disable to show to stop showing up completely in search, you also won't be able to show any content from the specific app. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!